The developers of the popular game PUBG have started testing the free version of game on PC named PUBG Lite. Now this Lite version of PUBG is currently being tested in Thailand, but in this video I will show you how to install PUBG PC Lite on your PC or laptop, even if you don't live in Thailand. Now this method works for any country, but the only requirement for that is you need to have a VPN software that lets you connect to the Thailand server. So first you need to apply for an ID, and that's pretty easy as you only need to head over to the official website of PUBG Lite, that is lite.pubg.com. Once the website opens, you will see an option to apply for ID on the top right corner. Just click on that option, and now in the new page you will need to fill all the details like the email, the password and the date of birth. Once you fill all the details, just accept the terms by checking this box next to it and then click on Create My Account button. You will now get a confirmation email that you need to open, and there you will see an option that says Confirm to register. Click on this option and now your account will be activated. Now the next step is to download the PUBG Lite launcher on your PC or laptop, from which you need to download the PUBG Lite. Again, head over to the official site of PUBG Lite and now click on the download button. It will open a new page that shows the minimum and the recommended system requirements to run this game. If you are sure that your PC or laptop can run this game, just click on the download button and the download will now start. Once the setup is downloaded, now you need to open the VPN software and connect to the Thailand server. Once connected, now open the setup and now install the PUBG Lite launcher on your PC or laptop. To install it, just follow what I am doing and that's it. Once installed, the PUBG Lite launcher will automatically open, and there you need to enter your account details. Keep in mind that you need to keep the VPN connected when we are doing all this work. Once you log in, you will see a screen like this where you have to click on this button to start downloading the PUBG Lite. Don't disconnect the VPN in between, since if you do that, your download will stop. Once downloaded, don't directly open the game as you might get this error that says the game is currently unavailable in your region. So after the download has finished, you need to change the time zone of your system to the Thailand time zone. Doing that is pretty easy, as you just need to search for the time settings, and then in the date and time settings there is an option that says set time zone automatically. Uncheck that option, and now from the drop down options select the time zone of Bangkok. Now you can open the PUBG Lite from the launcher and start playing it. Again, you need to keep the VPN connected as long as you are playing the game. So that's how you can install and play PUBG Lite on your PC or laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I will catch you in the next one.